It's no secret that water in your fuel is bad. That's why there's Synteq DRY. Today's new fuels can hold more water than ever before, and the additives in ultra-low sulfur diesel make it harder to remove water from the fuel. Biodiesel and biodiesel blends can hold 10 to 25 times more water than regular diesel fuel. And the water that accumulates in your tank also contributes to the issue. Both diesel and biodiesel absorb moisture from the air inside the tank. The excess water then starts to pool at the bottom of the tank. Adding to the challenge of water in your fuel is the fact that today's Tier 4 common rail injector systems are built with tighter tolerances, requiring even finer filtration, and are more susceptible to water in fuel. Performance issues can range from premature wear, rust and corrosion, to injector and pump failure. With a typical fuel injector repair coming in at $1,200 and a pump at $2,200, equipment owners and operators are constantly looking for solutions to increase uptime and reduce cost. It was estimated that more than $2.75 billion was spent on repairs in North America in 2018 alone. While barrier-type filters have been used for decades, they struggle to work effectively against today's advanced fuel blends. Contaminants can build up on the filter media, sapping the filter's effectiveness. Over time, that lack of protection becomes even more concerning, and performance issues are sure to follow. Coalescing filters are designed to work better with today's advanced fuels. Coalescing filters remove water by forcing fuel through an element. The element pulls the smaller droplets together into larger ones that naturally drop into an attached bowl. However, even coalescing filters are not immune to fouling from contaminants. That's why Donaldson has introduced Synteq DRY. Synteq DRY represents our most advanced coalescing technology ever. Synteq DRY removes significantly more water than standard filters and coalescing filters in the market. Even fouled, the advanced Synteq DRY media technology is highly resistant to degradation from contaminants. The advanced media technology helps ensure the filter retains its performance and efficiency throughout the life of the filter. Avoid unplanned downtime and costly repairs. Protect your entire fuel system today with Synteq DRY. Is your fuel Synteq DRY?